Yeah, hello guys. So in this video, uh, I'm going to tell you few basic things about pipelines, creating branches. Okay, so before going to that, we need to create a project. So let me create a new project. That's DevOps, DevOps project. Anything DevOps project. There is only for testing. So it should be private. Coming to the advanced version control is here a Git, not a Team Foundation version control. We are using Git for version control. Version control means maintaining code in Azure repos. So work item process, I'm following basic one. Okay. So for running the pipelines, we have one. First thing is the version control. Second one is like version control system, continuous integration system. So for that, we need to have a VSTS or TeamCity and automated build process. These are the build process we have. Team build for .NET, ANT, NAND, Grad. So these are the three pillars of continuous integration. Version control that we are using Git, and continuous integration. I'm using Visual Studio Service, Team Service, and let's for automated build I'll use Team build. Okay. So create project. So project is created. So once the project is created, let's create a task in board. So whenever we are going to work anything related to the branches, first we need to create a task. So new work item, let's create a task. So once the task is created, let me give the task name. What is the task name? Creating branches and matching. Matching. Okay, so title I have given save. So it is assigned to and to doing. Save it. So now a task number is created. It is the task number is 6. Okay. So now let's go to the branches. Where are the branches? Where the branches we have? Branches initialize. So now let's create a new branch. That is dev. And here I'm giving the task number. Okay, get back. Branch dev based on main branch. And this is task 6. Create. Okay, dev branch is created now with the task number. So now coming to this branch, we have one readme file. Okay, so back. So here we have different options like new pull request, delete branch. And here the important thing is branch policies. Okay, so coming to the branch policies, we have how many branch policies? Let me explain in Paint. So we have, let me explain here only. So we have branch policies like require a minimum number of reviewers. Let's on. So if how many number of reviewers are required here? Two. Might be one is team lead and one another person is manager. Okay, so that we have to select. These are the branch policies. Branch policies we have uh, four branch policies, one build validation. In branch policies, the first branch policy is minimum number of reviewers. It could be two, or we can set that value. So for practice purpose, this is not required. And check linked work items. Check for linked work items. This is required. Okay. Block pull request from being completed unless they have at least one linked work item. There should be one linked work item at least. Next one is common solution. It is required, and limit merge types. Basic merge, no fast forward. So these are the branch policies. So let me explain. Let me see here the purpose of each branch. So in the repos, we have branches. Under the branches, required a minimum number of reviewers is the first policy. And the second one is check for linked work items. This is required. Check for comment resolution and limit merge types and the build validation. So in the build validation, again, we have three. One is stage. Sorry, one is the gated build, continuous integration build, and schedule build. So, so in this build validation, we have three stage build and continuous integration build and schedule build. Okay, that I'll tell you later. So these are the branch policies. Branch policies. Okay, so I'm selecting these three. Okay, so to select these three now, go to lines. Sorry, repose branches. So now I have selected the right, so it is created one batch. That means it is secured with the policies. What policies? Uh, branch policies. Branch policies we have require number of reviews, linked work items, comment, resolution, and limit merge types, and build validation. Okay, so we go to the repos and branches. Okay, anyway, it is secured now. So coming to one more basic thing, like whenever we are going to create a pipeline, first select pipeline, and from there create a pipeline. And here we have what is your code, Azure repos code or Bitbucket, GitHub, other Git subversion. Let me select a classic editor to create pipeline without YAML. It's a classic editor to create pipeline without YAML. So here I'm selecting Azure repos kit. This is my project, team project, and the repository is in this project. And let me select dev continue. So coming to here, select a template configuration as code or featured, like we have .NET Desktop. So many tools. Let me select this ASP.NET. So under this we have jobs. We use NuGet for So, agent, job names, agent pool, whether it is self-hosted or Microsoft hosted agent. This is a Microsoft hosted agent, that is Azure pipelines. Like we have agent pools. I complete this, and agent specification is 2019, and path, this is the default for Azure pipelines. This is Microsoft hosted agent, not the self-hosted agent. So under this we have different uh, jobs. NuGet, uh, Nugget restore, build a solution, test assemble, public symbol path, all these things. So coming to the variables, we have variables here. Triggers, see, if I select this will become continuous integration. If I don't select this means this is the gated build. Okay, and the schedule build, if you want to run the schedule build, this is the schedule build. And here, this is the schedule build. Okay, so here we have the option save and save queue. Okay, so coming to pipelines, no run set. Let me delete this. Please type the name of the pipeline to confirm. Let me create one more pipeline again. Use the classic editor to create a YAML pipeline. Azure repository, new branch, continue, select the ASP.NET. If I go to the branches, repose, still, go to the branches, say we have the branch, no branch. Get the pipelines, create a pipeline, as a filter, and this is dev, continue, ASP.NET, and save, save. Okay. So here we have different options. Next, coming to the agent pools. So these two are Microsoft hosted agents. Azure pipelines. This is default. This is Azure pipeline. If I want to create a self-hosted agent, go to add tools, new, self-hosted agent. Instead, so this is created. This is the self-hosted agent. Self-hosted agent created by manually. Created manually. So we have difference with Microsoft hosted agent and self-hosted agent. Microsoft hosted agent, that will be default. It's a default one which is taken care by Microsoft, and self-hosted agent we have to create. These are the two different agents in agent pools. Okay, in the next video, I'll create how to run the pipelines and remaining things. Thanks for watching.